Okay, welcome children. This is Vanashri ma'am with trigonometry. In your ninth standard, you have already learned about the trigonometric ratios. Okay. Now, in this class, based on these reciprocal ratios, that is sine theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, cosec theta is 1 upon sine theta. Similarly, cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta and sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. Okay. Then tan theta is equal to 1 upon cot theta and cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. And one more, tan theta is equal to sine theta upon cos theta and cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sine theta. These are the ratios which you have to remember. And also, these are the relations you have to remember. Then some identities. These are called identities. There are three identities basically. Okay. Now they are sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. From this identity only it follows sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta and cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Okay. The second identity is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. From this is follows tan square theta equals sec square theta minus 1 and sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So these are not separate identities from the same main identity. These two identities follow. Similarly, the third identity is 1.1 plus cos square theta. This is theta. 1 plus cos square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Or from this it follows cos square theta is equal to cosec square theta minus 1 or cosec square theta minus cos square theta is equal to 1. So all these you have to by heart and remember, and using these we will be proving the other identities that will be given in the question to prove. Okay, this chapter has entire lot of prove that. So we have to take either left hand side LHS or right hand side, that is RHS, and we have to show that both are equal. Solve left hand side and show that is equal to right hand side, or solve the right hand side and show that is equal to left hand side. In other words, the answer is, you have to arrive at the answer. Okay, so let us start. Your first question is, the main question is prove the following identities. Okay, under that, the first one, we have to prove that sec A minus 1 upon sec A plus 1 is equal to 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A. That is what we have to prove. Now consider LHS. You have to mention whether you are starting with LHS or RHS, you have to mention. Consider LHS. So write sec A minus 1 upon sec A plus 1. Now you will not take RHS. You will solve this and show that is equal to RHS. So now this can be written as sec A is reciprocal of cos A. So this can be written as 1 upon cos A minus 1 upon 1 upon cos A plus 1. Okay, so this means 1 upon 1 actually. Okay, so this implies 1 minus cos A upon cos A, 1 minus cos A cross multiplying upon cos A into 1, and the down one becomes 1 into 1 plus cos A upon cos A. So when this fraction is dividing, so when it multiplies, reciprocal you will have to take. So 1 minus cos A upon cos A into cos A upon 1 plus cos A. So this cos A cancels. So this implies this is equal to 1 minus cos A upon 1 plus cos A, which is nothing but equal to right hand side. Hence, therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, proved. So this is compulsory. to write. Okay. This part also you must say that this is equal to RHS, so you have proved. Okay. Now, okay children, now question 2. Same common question, prove the following. In that, the second one, 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A is equal to cosec A plus 1. This is a similar one, cosec A minus 1. So again, consider LHS. So what is our LHS? Or okay, I'll show you both. Considering RHS, how to do that also I'll show. Okay, now when you consider LHS, 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A is equal to 1 plus 1 upon cosec A upon 1 minus okay. So cosec A plus 1 upon cosec A upon cosec A minus 1 upon cosec A. Okay. So again when you multiply cosec A plus 1 upon cosec A into cosec A upon cosec A minus 1. So this and this gets cancelled. So this implies cosec A plus 1 upon cosec A minus 1, which is nothing but the RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS hence proved. Now the same sum can be taken by taking the RHS. Always it is not possible. Sometimes some questions have to be solved by taking the LHS only, or sometimes by only taking the RHS. But in this particular sum, you can proceed with the RHS also. So I will show you that also. So consider RHS, suppose. So if you, what is the RHS here? Cosec A plus 1 upon cosec A minus 1. This can be written as 1 upon sin A plus 1 upon 1 upon sin A minus 1. Okay. Now this implies 1 plus sin A upon sin A. This is just cross multiplication. Okay, 1 into 1, sin A into 1, sin A upon sin A into 1. Similarly, this is 1 minus sin A upon sin A. So this is nothing but LHS. So therefore, we have taken RHS and we have shown it equal to LHS. Children, let me tell you once again, a common error that children do is they take both the sides and then they start solving, which is wrong. Okay, you must take either LHS or RHS and show that it is equal to the other part. Okay, or otherwise you have to simple both LHS. One more method, you simple LHS separately, simplify LHS separately, simplify RHS separately and show that both the simplified versions are equal. That is also another way of doing. Okay. Now question 3. 1 upon, this is not question 3, same question. Question 1 only, same, prove the following is that the third one. 1 upon tan A plus cot A cos A sin A. Now again consider LHS. First LHS is 1 upon tan A plus cot A. Now tan A can be written as sin A upon cos A. So sin A upon cos A plus cot A can be written as cos A upon sin A. So this implies 1 upon sin A into sin A is sin square A plus cos A into cos A is cos square A upon cos A sin A, that is sin A cos A. Okay, but we know sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So this will become, this implies 1 upon sin A cos A. Now you have to write it here that you have used in identity sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Here also you have to write that you have used tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A and cot A is equal to cos A upon sin A. This is compulsory. In the previous questions also we must write, I forgot to tell you. Here we have to write that we have taken here. We have written cosec A as 1 upon sin A. In the earlier question, we have written sin A is equal to 1 upon cosec A. Now in this question we have written sec A is equal to 1 upon cos A. Okay, these are the only formula relations or identities that we have used. Okay children, if you don't write it in the square bracket, you will lose marks. So here, now this implies, the reciprocal will multiply. So 1 into sin A minus cos A upon 1. That is this is not minus, this is dot. So sorry, this is just multiplication. So this implies it is equal to sin A cos A. Okay, which is nothing but your RHS. Okay, so therefore LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Now the next question, prove that tan A minus cot A is equal to tan A minus cot A is equal to 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 cos square A upon sin A cos A. So again consider LHS. What is LHS? Tan A minus cot A. Now tan A can be written as sin A upon cos A. Cot A can be written as cos A upon sin A. So here you have to write in brackets. You have used this identity. Tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A, and cot A is equal to cos A upon sin A. This is what you have used. Now, so what it becomes? Now cross multiply sin A into sin A. Okay, these two. Sin A into sin A is sin square A minus cos A into cos A. That is cos square A upon cos A sin A. That is sin A dot cos A. Okay. Now sin square A can be written as 1 minus cos square A. So implies 1 minus cos square A minus cos square A upon sin A cos A. What have we used? We have used sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. So this implies 1 minus cos square A minus cos square A is 2 cos square A upon sin A cos A, which is nothing but the RHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Now the fifth question. Prove that sin to the power of 4a minus cos to the power of 4a is equal to 2 sin square a minus 1. So again consider LHS. Sin power 4a minus cos power 4a. So this can be written as sin square a whole square minus cos square a whole square. So this is of the form a square minus b square. So applying a square minus b square, you will get sin square a minus cos square a into sin square a plus cos square a. How you got this? By using the formula a square minus b square is equal to a minus b into a plus b. Okay. So, but you know sin square a plus cos square a is 1. So, therefore, this implies sin square a minus cos square a into 1. What is the reason? Because according to the identity, sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. Okay. So, now sin square a minus cos square a can be written as sin square a minus 1 minus cos square a can be written as 1 minus sin square a. Okay, what is the reason? Here what we have used? Cos square a is equal to 1 minus sin square a we have used. So, this implies sin square a minus 1 plus sin square a. So, this becomes equal to 2 sin square a minus 1, which is nothing but the RHS. So, therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay. Now the next question. 1 minus tan A whole square plus 1 plus tan A whole square is equal to 2 sec square A. So again consider LHS. What is our LHS? 1 minus tan A whole square plus 1 plus tan A whole square. So we will apply A minus B whole square and A plus B whole square formula. So according to that, A square, that is 1 square, plus B square, that is tan square A, minus 2AB. So 2, 1 into 1 is 1, or 2 into 1 into tan A. Okay. Then plus 1 square plus tan square A plus 2 into 1 into, this is your 2AB term. 2AB. Okay. Now, so this implies 1 plus tan square A minus 2 tan A plus 1 plus tan square A plus 2 tan A. Okay. Now, minus 2 tan A plus 2 tan A gets cancelled. Okay. So you are left with 1 plus 1 implies 1 plus 1 is 2, tan square A is 2 tan square A. Now take out 2 common. Okay, here you have to write the identity that you have used. Okay, here you have used A square plus B square plus 2AB and A minus B whole square minus 2AB. These are the identities that you used here. Now here if you take out 2 common, 1 plus tan square A. But 1 plus tan square A is x square A. So 2 sec square A. This is nothing but the RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS hence proved. Now, the 7th question, in similar question, you try it out as homework. Prove that cosec square A not square. It is cosec to the power of 4A minus cosec square A is equal to cos square A plus not square again. It is cot to the power of 4A plus cot square. So again consider LHS, and then this can be written as cosec square A whole square, and then you can cosec square A can be written as 1 plus cot square A whole square. So apply A plus B whole square. So try it out. If you don't get, then I'll show you. You can ask me in the group. Unless you do it on your own, you will not get the feel of it. Okay, then try the 8th one also as homework. So in this you will again consider LHS only, and sec can be written as 1 upon cos. Okay, so then try like that, and this can be combined. Again sec can be written as 1 upon cos A, and tan A can be written as sin A upon cos A. Do all that and then you will get it. If you don't get, you ask me. Then the 9th one. So here also you consider LHS, and you write cosec A as 1 upon sin A, and then you can write cosec A again as 1 upon sin A, and you can write this cot A as cos A upon sin A. So you try to solve it, you will get it. Tenth one, prove that sec square A plus cosec square A is equal to sec square A into cosec square A. Okay, here also you will consider the LHS. You will write sec A is 1 upon cos A and cosec A as 1 upon sin A, and proceed further. You will get it easily. Try it out. If you don't get, you can ask me in the group. Unless you do it on your own, you will not understand. You will not get the feel of it. Okay children, take care. I will again meet you in my part 2 of trigonometry. This trigonometry is a big chapter, so we will have many parts. So first you by heart all the identities, the relationships you might have forgotten, which you have, some of them you have already learnt in 9th, but you must have forgotten. So anyway, learn them, by heart them, and then solve all the classwork sums first on your own, and then do the homework sums. Then it will be more clear to you all. Okay children, take care. God bless you.